Good morning class 6. This is your English class. In the previous video, we have started chapter 5.2 of unit 5 in your English book. Chapter 5.2 is about the topic Inqilab Zindabad. Students, we have already studied the first part of this chapter. Today in this video, we are going to study the second part or the last part of this chapter. So students, now open page number 124 in your English book. Start read from the top of the page. About 1,000 people were killed and more than 1,500 were wounded. Okay? About 1,000 people were killed and more than 1,500 people were wounded in Jallianwala Bagh, where around 20,000 people were gathered for a public meeting. And British General Dyer, without any warning, ordered his 50 riflemen to fire on the people. In this incident, 1,000 people were killed and more than 1,500 people were wounded. This barbaric killing of innocent people touched Bhagat Singh deeply. What barbaric and touched means? See here. Barbaric means cruel and violent. Touched means moved emotionally. So, this violent killing of innocent people touched Bhagat Singh deeply. He was filled with the desire of revenge. Bhagat Singh was filled with the desire of revenge against the British rulers. He was only 12 at that time. Bhagat Singh was only 12 years old when this incident happened in Jallianwala Bagh. But he swore in his heart to free his country from the cruel British rulers. But he swore in his heart to free his country from the bondage of the British rule. By the age of 16, Bhagat Singh was completely dedicated to India's struggle for freedom. Okay? So, what dedicated means? See here. Dedicated means devoted, having great love for something. Okay, dedicated means devoted, having great love for something. So, when Bhagat Singh was only 16 years old, he was completely devoted his life for India's freedom struggle. After his schooling at Lalpur, Bhagat Singh joined the National College at Lahore. After Bhagat Singh completed his schooling at Lalpur, he joined the National College at Lahore. Here, he came into contact with other revolutionaries like Bhagavati Charan, Shukdev and others. After he joined the National College at Lahore, he came to contact with the other revolutionaries like Bhagavati Charan, Shukdev and others. In 1924, his parents pressed him to get married. In the year 1924, his parents gave him pressure to get married. He said, "If I am to marry in a slave country, I will prefer to marry death." This is a great statement of Bhagat Singh. When Bhagat Singh's parents gave him pressure to get married, then Bhagat Singh replied that if I am to marry in a slave country, I will prefer to marry death. He ran away from home, reached Kanpur, and became a member of the Naujawan Bharat Sabha. After that, he ran away from home and he went to Kanpur. Then he became a member of Naujawan Bharat Sabha. In 1928, he came into contact with another famous revolutionary named Chandrasekhar Azad. So, in 1928, Bhagat Singh came into contact with another famous revolutionary whose name was Chandrasekhar Azad. In the same year, the British government of India appointed Simon Commission to find out if India should be given any freedom to rule itself. In the same year, means in the year 1928, the British government of India appointed a commission that was Simon Commission, and the purpose of this commission was to find out if India should be given any freedom to rule itself. But this commission had no Indian representative, but this Simon Commission had no Indian representative. So, there were great protests against this commission. That's why there were a great protest against this Simon Commission, because in this commission there was no Indian representative. That's why there were a great protest against this commission. In one of these protests at Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was injured in a lathi charge. In one of these protests at Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was injured in a lathi charge. Later, he died because of his injuries. After that, Lala Lajpat Rai was died because of his injuries, and he was injured in a lathi charge in a protest. To avenge Lalaji's death, Bhagat Singh decided to kill General Scott, who was responsible for it. Avenge means what? See here. Avenge means to have the revenge. Okay? Avenge means to have the revenge. Avenge means to have the revenge. Okay? So, to took the revenge of Lalaji's death, Bhagat Singh decided to kill General Scott, who was responsible for Lala Lajpat Rai's death. But Bhagat Singh mistook one Saunders for Scott and shot at him. He went underground because General Scott was live. Okay? What underground mean? See here. Went underground. It means to went into a secret place in order to hide from the police. Okay? Went to a secret place in order to hide from the police. So, Bhagat Singh was decided to kill General Scott, who was responsible for Lala Lajpat Rai's death. He mistook one Sanders for Scott and shot at him. Then he went underground because General Scott was still alive. On April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh threw a bomb in the assembly hall and courted arrest. Okay. So, what courted arrest means? See, got himself arrested willingly. Got himself arrested willingly. Okay. On April 1929, Bhagat Singh threw a bomb in the assembly hall and he surrendered for his arrest. During his trial, Bhagat Singh said, "We dropped the bomb on the floor because our sole purpose was to make the deaf hear." Okay? What trial means? Trial means examinations in a court to decide if the accused person is guilty or not. Okay? So, during his trial, Bhagat Singh said that they dropped the bomb in the assembly hall because they wanted to make the deaf hear of the people who were presented in that assembly hall. There was a long trial and at last on 10 July 1929, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were awarded death sentence. After a long trial, on 10th July 1929, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were awarded death sentence. They were hanged on March 23, 1931. These three persons were hanged on March 23, 1931. Bhagat Singh, the legendary son of Mother India, became Shahid-e-Azam, the greatest martyr, when he was just 23. What legendary means? Legendary means very famous and talked about. Okay. So, Bhagat Singh, who was the legendary son of Mother India, became Shahid-e-Azam, the greatest martyr, when he was just at the age of 23. His famous slogan of Inqilab Zindabad still lives on. His famous slogan of Inqilab Zindabad still lives on in the heart, in the mind of all Indian people. So students, you have to read the whole chapter properly. Then you have to do the questions answers given from this chapter.